welcome to another Friday Fun. I don't do much modular stuff, so I thought I'd do some, and one of the reasons is because I've got this nifty case here from Cre8audio. They thrust it into my hands at Synthfest, where they were up there, and it's a brand new thing. It's a sort of budget 84 HP modular case with built-in power supply. I think it's 2.5 amps maximum. It's got an audio out, it's got a USB MIDI interface, it's also got a MIDI interface, and it's actually quite handy. What we've got is CV gate, two sets of CV gates on different MIDI channels, summed audio output, which comes out of a 1/4" jack on the back. There's a MIDI in and a MIDI through. This one also comes with a couple of modules, and the modules are Cellz and Chipz. Now Chipz is providing the top line. Let me just bring that down. Via Clouds. It's a sort of digital chiptune type oscillator. It's quite funky, a bit gritty. It's got two chip oscillators and an LFO. The LFO I'm not using in this case, but I'm using the mod wheel to adjust the filter of chip 1, and also Cellz, which is really cool actually. This is like a bi-directional sequencer. I haven't really got to grips with it yet, but I'm using the gate out of the Arturia into the trigger of this, and I've got 4 note sequence which I could just select. I could have another one going this way as well, because there's this direction. I'm just triggering out on the gate out, so I can play legato stuff. And choose when I want to trigger that note. It's kind of cool. That's going into this. I've got this Pittsburgh audio. Well, actually, what I've done is I've taken all of. But before I get there, I should probably say it comes with these plates which cover up the stuff you're not using. Inside are a bunch of tails which you can just plug your power supplies into. Incidentally, I should do a bit of a plug for these. I've been using these Doepfer A-111-5 which are these little hand grip, yeah, I guess screws, and you can hand tighten them. Really good if you're changing your modules in and out a lot, and they just come. It's like a little pack of air rifle pellets. I don't know if you remember those as a kid. Get 100 in there. I don't remember how much they are, but they're really useful. So anyway, what I've got in here is I've obviously got the 2 modules. I've got the Fullsome Clouds, which is taking the output from the Chipz. I've got a Pittsburgh VCO, which I'm not using. I've got the Pittsburgh audio Mixer Attenuator. So this is the level of the Fullsome Clouds into the output, one of the outputs. This is the level of the Doepfer A-111-5 Mini voice, which is just going back out and into, where's that going? Output, which is going into the other input. So these two are summed to the output. Then this one is the top chip, and this one is the bottom one. I haven't used that one yet. So I've got a level. So these two are being mixed into the Fullsome Clouds, which is then going out this way. So it's kind of nifty patch actually. Nifty patch, wasn't supposed to be a pun, it's just a kind of word that I use quite often. So a little bit more about the nifty case, because I suppose this could be a partial review as well. Seems to work really well. You get this bundle, I think is 269 bucks, so I guess that's going to be about 250 quid, which isn't actually bad for what you get. And remember, there are 2 CV gate paths here, mod output, and it passes the clock as well. So we've got the ability to do quite a lot with this, and I've filled it up. I think I've just got 1 HP here, which I haven't used, and there is something that I've got somewhere, but I couldn't find it. I was going to put it in there to fill it in. So as this is a Friday Fun Jam, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carry on playing and see what comes out. chip, which is more of a sort of noisy. Direction here, see what happens. Should point there are actually two sequences in here. I didn't realise that, but you can access them both individually. I'm not quite sure how that works, but it adds extra flexibility.